Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily delete CapCut projects. So as you can see, I've already on my CapCut, and in here are the list of projects that I've created in CapCut. And if you want to easily delete some of the projects, you can just follow this steps. So first, at the edit page in the CapCut, you'll find this one, edit with a pencil icon. Click on that, and you just need to click on the circle beside the project that you want to delete. For example, this one's right here, and then this one right here. You can just check on that, and after that you'll see the trash bin or the delete option at the bottom. Just click on that, and the CapCut will question you delete selected project, and if you are sure, just click on delete. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can easily delete CapCut projects, and I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.